Welcome to this ultra low mileage 2001 Honda S2000 AP1. With just over 7,000 miles, this car is absolutely as clean on the top side as it is underside. It has high performance modifications, most notably a Comptech Supercharger kit. We'll tell you more about it after a cold start and a quick drive. This AP1 was a very early 2001 build, the 69th to come off the famous Tochigi assembly line. It was delivered to Virginia on October 30th, 2000, and shortly after was turned into a Fast and Furious type tribute, including a body kit and many performance upgrades. Those upgrades included a Comptech Supercharger kit, exhaust system, TNZ coilovers, Brembo brakes, and 17-inch Yankee wheels. It eventually landed in California with just 3,500 miles on the clock. It landed in the hands of an S2000 enthusiast who took the car to Shad Huntley, founder of NSX S2000 Specialist Driving Ambitions. He dialed the car in, added a lightweight flywheel, new clutch, and an OS Gilkin limited slip diff. This car is now on Bring a Trailer Live, ending Thursday, January 19th. Good luck, everybody.